In this video, I am going to show you how to download Davinci Resolve 18 and install it. First, let's open Davinci Resolve website. Here is the website, blackmagicdesign.com. I will give the link in the description box, and the user interface will look like this. When you scroll down here, you have an option Davinci Resolve free download now. Click on that. Now you will have two options, Davinci Resolve 18, Davinci Resolve Studio. Since we are downloading the free version, we need to click on Davinci Resolve 18. Select the operating system of your choice. I am going to select Windows. Now a form will open up. You need to fill up the form and click on register and download. Once you click on register and download, your download will automatically start. If your download is not starting automatically, you need to simply click on this button, Davinci Resolve 18 windows.zip file. I have already downloaded the Davinci Resolve 18, so I am going to cancel the download. Here is a file. It's a zip file, so we need to extract this. Once the extraction is done, open the folder, and here you can see the installer file. Right click on that and click on run as administrator. Now simply click on install. Click on next. Accept the terms and conditions and click on next. Next. Install. If you are opening Davinci Resolve for the first time, it will show like this. Since I have already used Davinci Resolve 17 and I have upgraded to Davinci Resolve 18, it has imported my previous projects. Here you can see that. For you it might be blank. You will have only untitled project. To create a new project, you need to click on new project, give the name, click on create. This is how the user interface of Davinci Resolve 18 looks like. At the bottom you can see the tabs, media pool, cut page, edit page, fusion page and color tab. You can do all sort of color grading and fairlight and the deliver tab. So that's it guys. In this way you can download and install Davinci Resolve 18. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.